Cloud Computing, Chapter 3, Deployment Models. In this chapter, we will learn about cloud deployment models. Cloud deployment models describe how cloud services are deployed and accessed. There are four main cloud deployment models. They are public cloud, private cloud, hybrid cloud, and community cloud. Let us start with public cloud. Public cloud is owned and managed by third-party cloud service providers. Cloud resources are shared among multiple users. Public cloud services are delivered over the internet. It is cost-effective and easy to use. Examples of public cloud include Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud Platform. Public cloud is suitable for startups and small organizations. Now let us understand private cloud. Private cloud is used by a single organization. It can be located on premises or hosted by a service provider. Private cloud provides high security and better control. It is more expensive compared to public cloud. Private cloud is suitable for large organizations with sensitive data. Now let us understand hybrid cloud. Hybrid cloud is a combination of public cloud and private cloud. Organizations use private cloud for sensitive data. They use public cloud for non-critical applications. Hybrid cloud provides flexibility and scalability. It is commonly used by medium and large organizations. Now let us understand community cloud. Community cloud is shared by multiple organizations. Organizations have common goals or security requirements. It is managed by one or more organizations or a third party. Community cloud is less common compared to other models. Now let us compare all cloud deployment models. Public cloud offers low cost and high scalability. Private cloud offers high security and control. Hybrid cloud offers flexibility and balance. Community cloud offers shared infrastructure for specific communities. Let us understand when to use each deployment model. Use public cloud when cost is important. Use private cloud when security is the top priority. Use hybrid cloud when you need both security and scalability. Use community cloud when organizations have similar requirements. In this chapter, we learned about cloud deployment models. This topic is very important for exams and interviews. In the next video, we will learn about cloud architecture. Subscribe to Silent Sparrow for clear and focused tech education.